Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. And this is a follow-up video to the previous one I did on the Ryobi 20-inch lawnmower. At that time I said I was going to go get the 24-inch cordless hedge trimmer, which I now have, and we're going to actually attack the garden here with this. So far on the surface, this thing is really nice. I've already unboxed it and I actually have it right here, and just a couple things right off the bat is this thing is actually very good quality, much better than the other hedgehog one that I had. This one's got a 1-inch cut surface, and it also has this little sweep cleaner, so as you sweep past kind of the debris, it just pushes it off to the side a little bit better. A couple other little things that I noticed, which I wasn't expecting. I did say when I got the lawnmower that I already had a 40-volt battery and a charger, so buying this I really didn't need an additional one. However, once I unpack this, I see that this is only a 2-amp-hour battery that comes with it, and the one for the lawnmower is actually a 5-amp. So you can use this. It just is going to last longer, but I'm probably not going to be able to save this one as a spare and use it on the lawnmower. I mean, I'll try it out, but it's probably not going to be unless like I run out of battery power and I need just, you know, another 10 minutes or something. I might be able to use this one, but we'll give them both a shot, let you know how it goes. So for now, some of the key features on this thing, bringing it in a little bit closer, is it's got a nice cover. Blades again, 1 inch, and it's also got an adjustable ratchet here, so you know, as you adjust the angles, this is something that I did not have on my other hedge trimmer, so that is very nice. Safety features are, you got a latch that's here, you've got the one that's here, so you have to engage both for the blade to actually activate. Other than that, the batteries are very simple, like all of the Ryobi tools. You just line up the grooves, slide it in, you're good to go. Now, one of the key things that I noticed with this is just the precision on it and how tight the cutting surface is, because like I said on my other one, it was real loud, made a lot of noise, there was a lot of play in between the blades themselves. This one right here, spot on. So again, we're going to hit up top, cut down some of this mess, and give you final impressions. Stay tuned.
All right, so we're going to hit this with the 2-amp-hour battery first, and we'll see what type of time we get out of it. It's fully charged at the moment. Again, these are pretty simple. Just take them like this, line them up, slide them in, they lock into place. And a little bit closer up view of this, you see this cutting angle, which again I did not have on my other unit. You just pull this little latch right here, and this can adjust in 45-degree increments. So that's nice because it keeps the handle flat but adjust your cutting surface. So it's probably something I'm going to use quite a bit, especially on the hedges in the front, so we'll probably film that too. And again, if you look at the precision they have on this, this is very tight. There is like absolutely no play in between this, and like I said, with the safety lock mechanism here, you have to click this one and also the handle. But I mean, just that is much better. So let's get up here and we'll take a look. This is the area in question. That's just like four lantana bushes, and during the summer these things go crazy and they really cascade over this block. So we usually just cut them kind of straight with the edge of the wall, and they look pretty nice. But now that the weather is kind of turning to fall, it's November now, this is probably going to be their last cut, and then they'll just dry up for the winter, and we'll cut them all the way back, do a hard cut. And then we also have the other one on that side. So first things first, we're going to get at this one. And again, pretty straightforward. It's easier to get up underneath these, find out where the edge of the wall is. and just cut through like that. There you go. Of course, it is nice having brand new sharp blades. So let's get this side. Well, that was really nice. Yeah, hard to believe this is like 3 plants. But out here in the desert heat, lantana is a godsend. So yeah, it does end up drowning out this magnolia a little bit, but during the summer that is great because it keeps the roots really cool and nice and hydrated. So otherwise these mags would never last. I mean, I've already had one die on this side just because of the sun and the heat, and you know, the other side is like real good. Roses just, they took a beating this year, and I don't know, between that and some problems I had with the drip lines, just, you know, hopefully they'll recover and come back good for next spring. But yeah, this is my pride and joy. That one does good and it blooms out really nice during the summer. But let's hit this one now too. And as you can see, like, this is what I was talking about. So normally you would be in this position to try to cut, where here you can just put it like that and there's no strain. All right, well, there you go. I'm gonna give this a thumbs up because that was very nice and very easy. And again, man, this angled feature is so much better, much easier on the wrists. Actually makes this thing feel a lot lighter as well. So again, just like the lawnmower, this is a Home Depot exclusive, and if you do find them online, a lot of times they're either refurbished. I was trying to actually find one without a battery because I didn't think I needed it, but again, now like I pointed out, this one comes with a 2 amp battery. The lawnmower comes with a 5, so you know, it kind of is what it is. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and the review, and see you on the next one.